Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the keychains in my collection. Now please keep in mind I've been making keychains for over 20 years, so my collection is quite varied. Lots of different colors, sizes, techniques, and tricks to show you guys along the way. Let's go ahead and get started. So here I have some of my very favorite keychains. These are the ones that I show off to students in the classroom, like an empty cube. Here I have an ostrich where its wings will flap. Lots of fun stuff. Here's a really fun trick where it loops around. This one is a piece bracelet, so I can loop that in there and like wear it as a bracelet if I wanted to. I really like this one. It goes in the dark. I wore this and used it a lot during college for my keys. I could put it on my wrist right here, ride my bike really easily. That's why I liked this one. My current keychain for my key is just a little pineapple. This one I like a lot too. Here's one of the first horsies or horse-like animals I try to make. I just think this one's cool. I just like the way the colors turned out. Here's a little person that I made to sit. I made this for a project in college. I needed to make a figure to sit in a model. I made a model of a theater and needed a little person to sit in the audience. Here are two different trees. This is my first attempt, and then here's the second attempt of a tree. This one was just really big and really hard to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7 by 7. 7 strings by 7 strings. Here is a daisy I made. Now I made this one, I think it was the first year we did this project at school. I had made the stem at a, like walking around when I was doing lunchroom duty, and then I would add the petals as I do lunchroom duty as well. So this was something, it was like a work in progress where I showed kids how, as I taught the project, like here I am working on one. Flower, one of my favorite projects actually. This one took one of the longest projects because I started it when I was a lot younger and I never finished it. It took forever to finish just because it took a long time to do all of these. The last one up here is a box. I was really proud of this one because I didn't use any kind of I didn't use a tutorial to make any of these. I just kind of figured it out, and I was trying to figure out how to do a cube and like a box shape and how to make like a cauldron. I was trying to do a scene with a rainbow and a cloud. So this was one of the practice ones. I made a box. It has a lid that opens. You actually put stuff inside and close it. So it's one of my faves. All right, so that's it for my really cool keychains that are really fun. Let me go ahead and put them back in their bag. So up here we have a very large glow-in-the-dark spiral star. That's at the very top of our tree. And then we have our big, long, I guess, main stem or trunk of our tree. And you see it starts to come out. Looks really nice up at the top. Of course, shorter branches are easier than the longer branches down here at the bottom. One of my goals is at the longer branches, I wanted to create lots of really cool, interesting designs that are really random. So all these branches are all pretty different. Here's a branch that has a bunch of things coming off of it. So this is one I like to work on while I watch movies during the winter time, when it's too cold outside to go out. Here's another of the branches. So I figure it will take me, I don't know, a decade or two to finish this off. But I've been working on this for about 10 years now.
I guess I'll just pull out one at a time. And no random, just a random order. Just like a little cloud. Something random. I tried to trap a penny inside that one. Here's I made an American flag for my husband, and this was a practice run. I was practicing the color switching and how that'd look, and of course I got the colors wrong. Ooh, this one's cool. I got the string from a cool color pack I found. It's like a tie-dye color. Tie-dye sparkle string. Really nice big keychain out of that. Some more big ones. Let's see. Another loop. I made this one and another one for my friend. I was like, pick between these two. I didn't know what color. She was like blue, and I had a light blue and a dark blue, and she wanted the dark blue one. Those are her favorite colors: brown, white, and blue. She liked the dark blue. Oof, they got bent up. Here's like a bunch of color switching. I was practicing. So many keychains to show you guys. Oh my goodness. Here's one that's supposed to look like a rainbow sword. I was playing around with the color switching. Here's a nice twist. Very nice twist keychain. I was playing around with the black and white string that's double-sided. So the string is white on one side and black on the other. And I was playing around with what the different combos could look like. I did that when I was creating some other things like this. Like a cauldron. Oh my goodness, there's more. There's so many more, guys. You have no idea. Let's just keep going. Oh, this is a cool one where it opens up right here. And it opens up here and also here. Very nice twist. Very nice twist. There's a letter. Another circle. Here's some that are together for some reason. Hanging out. That little guy there. Another cool one of those. These are really fun to mess with when you're bored. These are really relaxing to make. And then where it loops. And here's some more that are put together. Let's just keep the pile going here. Here's something I made. I was messing with what I could do with a one by mini strings. I like this one. My baby likes this one too. He likes to play with it. When I have these out, I like that one. It's a really fun one. And these are all the ones that just have not been picked to be a gift. Let's scooch that over a little bit more. There's a couple. So many random keychains. This one needs to get trimmed. This was, I was trying to figure out how to do like a loop or something different than a loop, like a different shape. I was trying to figure out if that would be easier or nicer. I ended up liking that favorite one I showed you more. I don't know what I was trying to do with this one. I was trying to like, can I bring it back around and keep it really close, like it's sewed together? But right here, I could not get that opening to be closer. That was very hard. Here's all these keychains. I like that one. It's a cool color combo. Let's look at some more. I'm looking at all these colors that I've run out of. Ooh. Alright, there's some more. So many keychains. This one has like a bunch of weird tricks on it. I think I was playing around with the twisting and capturing a coin. Like trying to trap stuff. Little cube square. More of this. I really like playing around with this stitch. That way. There's some more color change. Can you trim that one? That's gonna be opening right there. Hold on. We do have more in here. Hold on. More color change. Yeah, they're starting to get smaller as I get to the bottom of the bag. Alright. There's plenty more. A couple more here. So many keychains. This one. I haven't been counting. I should probably count these. Is this supposed to look like a TNT? Like a stick of dynamite? It's starting to get a little smaller. Well, some of them. I like that color change there. This was a really fun one. To figure out this opening and the just changing. Feels like one of those 3D keys. This one was a fun one. It's kind of like a little bit of a cage with this zigzag inside of it. This was just scrap string. So all like the little bitty ones that have color changes, like this or this guy, those were made from scraps. Just trying to challenge myself not to waste and challenge myself to utilize even the little pieces. Oh, this one, Valentine's Day colors. Oh, look. I love that. The gold string was a gift. It was hard to, couldn't find gold string myself. But someone gave me some of theirs, and I was like, oh yeah, my little keychain with it. We're getting close to the end of this bag. And we can count them as we put it back in. It's my first attempt at a turtle. Just like the bottom, I was like, alright, how am I going to attach the cell? I've had to rethink that. And I've made a new one since. But I gave it away. Now, the coolest ones usually get picked out. Got quite a little pile here. So many. And a few more of those little bitty guys. Oh. This and oh. Here's my first attempt at a cauldron. It's not very hollow. Here's a nugget of gold that goes in my box. Fell out of its St. Patty's Day themed rainbow cloud with a pot of gold combo. I think that's all of the random ones. Let's count them as we go back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Alright, so that's 30. Let's keep 3 fingers here to remember 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 40 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 50. That right there, that was good. Okay. 1. Alright, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One fell off. 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 100. 1. I thought I had 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 130, 131, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40? No, sorry, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 51. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 160 now? Okay, 1. What was that, 150? I just lost count. I read 150 or 160 keychains. Let's say 150. We'll do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 155, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. That's 170, maybe 180. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe 190? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just over 200 keychains are in that bag.
And here is a big project I did in college. This was an installation I made. It is over 100 pieces, over 100 individual keychains that vary from in value from dark to light, of like the orange colorish range. I had created a large net out of these, and they hung around a pillar. And then once I took that down, I re-displayed them as some art, some hanging wall art. So it hangs on a hook and hangs down like that. So, and it is quite heavy. This is quite heavy. So it has its very own bag where it's stored, and it's easy for things to get tangled in it.